Saving money is important. It gives you security. When you have savings, you have a safety net that can protect you from unexpected financial challenges. If you lose your job or have an emergency, savings are there to help you manage without stress. This financial cushion can make a huge difference in your peace of mind. Saving also helps you reach your goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or taking a dream vacation, having money set aside makes these aspirations achievable. Want to buy a house, a car, travel the world? Saving makes it possible. It turns your dreams into reality by providing the necessary funds. When you save, you have options. You can invest, plan for big purchases, or simply enjoy life without financial worries. You're not stuck in a bad situation because you lack money. Savings give you the flexibility to handle life's ups and downs with ease. Saving gives you freedom and control over your life. It allows you to make choices based on what you want, not just what you can afford. Start saving early and watch your money grow. Even small amounts matter. Over time, these small contributions can add up to a significant sum. Don't think you need to save a lot at once. Consistency is key. Regularly setting aside even a little can lead to substantial savings. Start with what you can. Every bit counts and contributes to your financial well-being. Every dollar saved is a step toward a brighter future. It's about building a reserve that can support your dreams and aspirations. Remember, saving is not about being cheap. It's about being wise with your money and making informed decisions. It's about being smart with your money, understanding where it goes and how to make it work for you. It's about building a solid foundation for your future, a foundation that can support you and your loved ones for years to come. How much should you save? This is a question that many people struggle with, especially when trying to balance various financial responsibilities. A good rule to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. This simple yet effective guideline can help you manage your finances more efficiently. This means 50% of your income goes to needs. These are essential expenses that you cannot avoid. These include things like rent, food, and transportation. Ensuring these are covered first is crucial for financial stability. 30% of your income should be allocated to wants. These are non-essential items that bring joy and comfort to your life. This includes activities like eating out, entertainment, and hobbies. It's important to enjoy life while managing your finances. The remaining 20% should go towards savings and debt repayment. This helps you build a financial cushion and reduce liabilities. This is just a guideline. You can adjust it to fit your unique financial situation and goals. Flexibility is key. You might need to tweak the percentages based on your personal circumstances. The key is to have a plan and stick to it. Consistency in following your budget can lead to long-term financial success. Another effective strategy is to automate your savings. This takes the effort out of saving and ensures you consistently set money aside. Set up a system where money is automatically transferred from your checking to your savings account each month. This can help you save without even thinking about it. You can also use apps that round up your purchases and save the difference. These small amounts can add up over time. Small changes like these can make a big difference over time. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your financial future. Saving doesn't have to be hard. Start by tracking your spending. See where your money is going. Look for areas where you can cut back. Eating out less is an easy way to save. Try cooking at home more often. It's healthier and cheaper. Negotiate your bills. Call your cable company, internet provider, and phone company. Ask for a better rate. Find free or low-cost entertainment options. Go to the park, visit a museum on a free day, or have a potluck dinner with friends. Section 4. Real-life examples of saving in action. Meet Sarah. She's 25 and just started her career. Like many young professionals, she's learning to balance her income and expenses. She automates her savings, transferring $200 to her savings account each month. This way, she ensures that she saves consistently without having to think about it. She also cooks at home most nights, which helps her save money that she would otherwise spend on dining out, and enjoys free activities like hiking and biking. These activities not only save her money, but also keep her healthy and active. Then there's John, who is 30 and wants to buy a house in 5 years. He's very focused on his financial goals. He follows the 50/30/20 rule, allocating 50% of his income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment, and is aggressively paying down his student loans. By reducing his debt, he's improving his financial health and getting closer to his dream of homeownership. These are just two examples. Everyone's financial journey is unique. The key is to find what works for you. Whether it's automating savings or following a budgeting rule, the important thing is to start. Set your goals, make a plan, and stick to it. Consistency is crucial in building a strong financial foundation. Saving is a journey, not a race. It's about making steady progress over time. There will be ups and downs. Financial challenges are a part of life, but the important thing is to keep going. Stay motivated and remember that every small step counts towards your financial goals. Section 5. Your future starts with saving. Saving may seem like a chore now, but it's an investment in your future. It gives you peace of mind. It allows you to pursue your dreams. It gives you options and freedom. Start small, be consistent, and watch your savings grow. Your future self will thank you. Remember, you are capable of achieving financial security. Start saving today and build the future you deserve.